In this video, I will show you how to enable the community tab on YouTube. So by default, the community tab has replaced the discussion tab. It's very similar, and normally by default, after you reach 1,000 subscribers, YouTube automatically adds this to your channel. If for any reason this has not been added, or if you do want to get this added if you have under 1,000 subscribers, then this is something that you can actually try. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. Of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up youtube.com and make sure you're logged into your account. So from here, all you're going to do is come to the top right hand corner and click on your profile icon. Then you want to come down and click onto where it says send feedback. So you can see what's going to happen. It's going to load up a box that's going to look like this. Now from here, you don't actually have to send a screenshot, so you can just untick that box for now. And what you want to do is put in this feedback box, and I've actually got a template that you can use. So what I will do is leave this in the description down below. What we're going to do is just copy and paste that into here. And all you want to do is send this off. Now what you want to make sure is that you delete this bit at the end and just put your full real name. So you don't want to put your channel name, you want to put your actual real name. And what this says is basically, respected YouTube, since I heard the news about the community tab, I'm hearing that it's quite good and very fast to engage the viewers. So could you please give me an option to use that community tab on my channel? Yours faithfully. And then you would put your name. So once that's done, you just want to go ahead and click the send button, and what's going to happen 95% of the time, they're going to enable your community tab. Of course, if you have over 1,000 subscribers and it's just simply not been enabled, then this will rectify the issue and you will have the community tab. As I mentioned earlier in the video, you can also try this if you don't yet have 1,000 subscribers. Again, it's about a 90 to 95% chance that this is going to work. But of course, you want to send this through to YouTube and they should be able to activate that for you. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And if you're looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube, then make sure you click the on-screen prompt. That's going to take you across to a current playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you in the next video.